Hey, what's going on? Ari here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to mount the brand new ReefBreeders bot mount. This mount can be mounted on 3 types of tanks: rimless, rimmed, and even Eurobrace. So with that being said, let's dive into it, and at the end of the video, I'll show you how to convert it over to Eurobrace. Here's a look at all the pieces on the table. The first step is going to be installing the spacers over the bolts that are on the Meridian fixture. Place it over them like that. Next, you're going to install the straight bracket over the spacer/bolts. The placement of the bracket will be determined by the depth of your tank. Next, tighten down the barrel nuts to the fixture screws. Do not over tighten your barrel nuts. Once you have it snugged up, give it a little turn and you should be good to go. Next, feed the power cord through the bracket and attach it to the light fixture. To get the power cord to fit through the hole, set it flat and then roll it in, as shown in the video. Once you have the power cord tightened down to the fixture, go ahead and snap it into place at the back of the light to help hide it. Next, slide the brackets together. The short side of the 90 degrees will slide into the top bracket. Screw the brackets together. Use a minimum of 2 screws. Just like the barrel nuts, do not over tighten these screws. Next, prep your tank mount with the thumb screws. The 4 long thumb screws are going to go on the back side, and the short thumb screw is going to go on the front side. Do not fully tighten these down, just get them prepped and ready to go to be mounted onto your brackets and your tank. Once you have that ready to go, install the tank mount onto the bracket at your desired mounting height. Go ahead and tighten that down in place. Next, remove the end plate. Install cable cover into groove channel. Just like this, there's 2 channels. There's 1 channel on each side of the bracket. Slide it in there, flush it to the end, then reinstall your end plate. Next, you're going to place the mount on the tank and tighten down the thumb screws, finger tight. Here's a final look at the bracket installed on the rimless tank. Next up, I'll be showing you how to do it on a Eurobrace tank. I don't have a Eurobrace tank at home, so this is going to be on the edge of my counter. Remove all 4 screws from the tank mount. Now you're going to install the piece into the other side of the tank mount. Now you're ready to tighten this down on a Eurobrace tank. Let's just pretend this is a Eurobrace tank. Finger tight, and it should look something like that. And that's going to do it for today's video. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and leave any questions in the comments you may have below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Happy reefing.